What's up guys? Are you not tired of Zeblaze smartwatches yet? It seems like the Chinese company releases a new model every week. You can watch our videos about rugged military smartwatches, as well as sports watches with built-in GPS and more on our channel Tech Brothers. This time I got my hands on an improved version of Zeblaze GTR 3 fitness smartwatch with prefix Pro. The new watch has Ultra HD AMOLED display, Bluetooth phone calls, and some fitness functions, such as heart rate and blood oxygen level measurements, more than 100 sports modes, and sleep tracking. The price of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is the same as most other Zeblaze watches, only $35. Okay, let's unbox it and then look at the design and functions of the new smartwatch. The box of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro looks like this. We can already see from the image on the box that the new watch has an updated design. We will talk about this a little later. There are also main features of the watch on the front of the box. By the way, Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is available in Starlight Silver, Midnight Black, and Champagne Gold colors. The sticker on the back of the box says that they have a champagne gold color. Inside the box are the smartwatch, charging cable, and a user manual. Now let's talk about design and get back to the color. So I have a gold color version of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro smartwatch. As you can see, not only the strap is gold, but also the frame. If you buy the watch in black or silver color, the strap and frame will also be black or silver. Another feature in design of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is a hand-polished 316L stainless steel frame. The frame has a very nice and premium texture. The back of the watch is made of plastic, but it is also gold painted. The back panel has heart rate and SpO2 sensors, as well as charging contacts. We can also see a microphone hole and a speaker on the sides. By the way, Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro has a round physical button. It is also made of stainless steel, like the frame, but it doesn't rotate. It is a button, not a crown. When it comes to the strap, first, it is made of silicone. It also has a very nice texture, as well as a gold stainless steel buckle. You know, it is probably the most beautiful budget smartwatch that I have seen. Maybe I think so because of the gold color, but the watch looks very expensive. Now let's take a closer look at the screen, because this is one of the main upgrades of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro. First, I want to point out the curved design of the display. It makes the screen look bezel-less, but if you turn on the flashlight, you can see that the bezel is still there. The display is very clear, thanks to 466 by 466 pixels resolution. The diagonal is 1.47 inches. However, the main feature of the display is AMOLED panel. The new smartwatch has always-on display mode. You can select a digital or analog clock for it. By the way, the Chinese company claims that the maximum screen brightness of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is 1000 nits. To be honest, it is hard to believe in 1000 nits, but the screen is really good to see outdoors. Now we can move on to the functions of the smartwatch. You know, the interface of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is similar to the previous Zeblaze watches, such as Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro, Zeblaze Vibe 7 Lite, and others. I like it, so I don't see anything wrong with the interface being the same. First, you can change the watch face by pressing and holding the main screen. There are 4 dials available out of the box, but you can upload much more from the app on smartphone. Then you can swipe up from the main screen and read the new notifications. Swipe down to open the quick settings menu. Here we can change the screen brightness. Go to the settings menu, check Bluetooth connection with smartphone, read system information, turn on the flashlight, Bluetooth calling, do not disturb mode, and power saving mode. Among the widgets are daily activity, heart rate measurement, sleep monitor, weather forecast, music control, and sports modes. You can also press the plus button and remove any of the widgets if you don't need them. Finally, the menu with all functions is opened by swiping to the right. There are telephone, contact person, call records, voice assistant, data, workout records, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, weather, female, music, press training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, business card, set time, find phone, calculator, calendar, camera, and settings. As I said before, the interface of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is the same as other Zeblaze watches, and the functions are the same too. In the settings menu, we can change the menu style. There are 4 menu styles available. The display settings have a screen time, raise to wake, and always-on display clock. In the battery menu, we can see the current battery level and enable power-saving mode. Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro has vibration. You can change the watch mode from mute, vibration and ring, as well as change the vibration intensity. The smartwatch supports many languages. You can see all of them on your screen. There is also a QR code to download the app on smartphone, set time, and system functions in the settings menu. We are already familiar with the mobile app from Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro, because previous Zeblaze watches have also used it. We won't dwell too long on the app and will only look at the main functions. First, you can add business cards to the smartwatch and then select the apps that can send you notifications on the watch. I have said before that the smartwatch has many watch faces in the app. There are definitely over 100 of them. By the way, I haven't shown you this before, but the Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro has only 9 workout modes. Don't worry if you need more sport modes, you can download them from the app. There are over 100 of them here as well. I also want to show you an elevated heart rate measurement and automatic health monitoring in the app. By the way, if you want to quickly call someone from the watch, you need to add favorite contacts. Let's see how to use Bluetooth calling. So when you have connected to the smartwatch to your smartphone, you need to open the quick settings menu and make sure call audio is enabled. Now in the list of all functions, you can go to telephone and enter the phone number to call. I added a favorite contact in the app, and now it is in the contact person list on the watch. Finally, there are call records available on the smartwatch. When someone calls you on your smartphone, you can reject or accept to the call through the watch. I think Bluetooth calling is one of the most useful features in any smartwatch. I wouldn't buy a watch in 2023 that doesn't have Bluetooth calling. Lastly, a few words about battery of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro. We are not gonna talk about this much, because the battery capacity is 260 mAh and battery life is 14 days. That's typical battery life for a Zeblaze smartwatch in 2023. However, you should know that in a heavy usage mode, the battery life can be 5 days. So Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro didn't surprise me with its functions, because they are the same as other Zeblaze watches, but I really liked the design. I don't know about the other colors, but in gold the watch looks very premium. It also has a stainless steel frame with a nice texture and a 3D curved screen. One of the main upgrades is the AMOLED panel, so the display is really high quality. Despite its stylish design, Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is good for sports, because there are many sports modes and health tracking functions. If you want to buy this smartwatch, I will leave a link in the pinned comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!